Part A, find the coordinates and nature of stationary points. So the first thing we need to state is that stationary points occur when dy by dx is equal to 0. So I work out dy by dx, so differentiate in x cubed, that's 3x squared. Differentiate 3x squared, that's 6x. And differentiate 1 is nothing. Okay, so there's my dy dx, so I now solve 3x squared plus 6x equals 0. Two terms, so it's a single bracket factorising. 3x is a common factor. So 3x outside, x plus 2 equals 0. So that tells me either 3x is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is 0. This says x is 0 plus x is minus 2. Right, I want the coordinates. So 0 something and minus 2 something. So if x is 0, now to get the y coordinates I go back to my y expression here. So y will be 0 cubed is 0, 3 lots of 0 squared is 0, minus 1. So y is minus 1. So there's the one coordinate, and then putting minus 2 in. So if x is minus 2, y is going to be minus 2 cubed plus 3 lots of minus 2 squared, take away 1. So cube minus 2, that's minus 8. Square minus 2 is plus 4, so that's plus 12 minus 1. So y is 3. So that coordinate is minus 2, 3. So there's the coordinates of the stationary points. Now I want the nature. So I differentiate again. d2y by dx squared. So I'm differentiating dy dx. That's 6x plus 6. Now then if x is equal to 0, then d2y by dx squared is 0 and 6 is 6. So d2y by dx is positive. So that makes this one a minimum. So 0 minus 1 is a minimum. And if x is minus 2, then d2y by dx squared, 6 lots of minus 2 is minus 12 plus 6, which equals minus 6, that's negative, so that's a maximum. So there's minus 2, 3 is the maximum. So there's the coordinates and there's the nature, 1 min, 1 max. And then part B, what's sketch? Okay, so I draw the axes. 0 minus 1 is a minimum. There's 0 minus 1 is there. So that's a minimum. And minus 2, 3. So minus 2, 3, that's a maximum. And then the graph just flows then. Those are the only turning points. That graph will have to come down there, comes to the minimum, and goes up. And then the coordinates to the stationary point, that one is minus 2, 3, and that is 0, minus 1. And then part C, write down the number of positive real roots of the equation. Well, the roots are where they cross the x-axis. I got 3 roots, 2 of them are negative, 1 is positive. So that is the positive root, so it's 1 positive root because it cuts the axis, cuts the x-axis once along the positive x-axis. Okay.